Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the boAt Airdopes 441 wireless earbuds. So let's get into the video right after the intro. So looking at the box, it is covered in some plastic covering, I guess. Okay, so let's read out the features. So it has Bluetooth 5.0, it has IPX7 water and sweat resistance, and then it has the one touch voice assistant. It also has the advanced capacitive touch control, and it has ergonomically designed secure fit, pure audio bliss 6mm dynamic drivers. And then here we see nothing, and here we get some information. It has IWP technology, I don't know what that is. It has a 500 mAh carrying case, 4 times the charge, up to 5 hours of playback per charge, and additional 25 hours with case. That is good, 25 hours. Okay, so let's remove the plastic covering and see what's inside the box. Okay, so this is the box with the plastic covering removed, and now let's remove this seal type thing. Okay, now we have the seal removed. That was really strong. Okay, so now, oh no, we have another seal over here. Ah, come on, man. Alright, now with the second seal removed, okay, so now let's open this up and let's see what we get inside. It's slowly opening over there. Come on, faster. I'll just do it myself. And whoa, it has foam in here so that nothing happens while the Airdopes are being shipped. Alright, now here we have the boAt Airdopes itself. So let's remove it up. It looks really good. And so we'll keep this aside and let's see what else we got in the box. Wow guys, look at this paperwork over here. So much, so many pages. Okay, let's keep this aside, and we have another small box, and I believe this has the USB cable in it. And yeah, let's open that up. Oh, we have some buds. Let's keep that aside. And we have a oh, this uses type C, so this is the charging cable, and we have nothing else in the box. So this uses type C to charge. That is good. Okay, so now let's pair this up with the phone and see how it sounds. Okay, I got my phone here, and let's go to the Bluetooth settings. And I don't think this has charge in it. I think I need to charge it, but we'll see. And yeah, the blue light is blinking. And wow, that is some nice, come on. That is some nice green light over there, guys. I don't know if you can see it correctly. Focus. Okay, so I think it is in pairing mode, and let's search devices. Well, maybe I think I need to charge it. Oh, there we go, Airdopes 441. Pair it up. And it is connecting, and they are connected, and the lights just go off. So now I can take one out and listen to my favorite songs. So we have some rubber here, over here we have the bud, we have some 3 contact pins to charging. As you can see, there are contact pins over there also. And then this is magnetic, so you just drop it in and it automatically starts charging. So yeah, let's listen to some music. I mean, you can't listen it, I can listen the music. So yeah, I'll listen to the music and say my impressions about it. And also, as soon as you open the case, it automatically connects to the last phone which was connected to the Airdopes. So as you can see, if I open it up, it automatically connects to my phone. You can see here it says connected. So yeah, that is some nice connectivity between the phone and the Airdopes. Okay, now let's see how this performs. Okay, let me put them in my ears now. And wow, that is some good noise cancellation over there. I almost can't hear anything what's going on outside. And this is how they fit. They fit, go inside very much. So it's not like sticking out or anything. Okay, now let me listen to some of the music. And here we go. And put the music on my phone. Wow, that is some deep bass over there. So this thing has really good bass. And yeah, it is, the sound quality is awesome too. And yeah, actually it is really good. And you also get this touch control to pause the music. Oh yeah, there you go, the music just paused. So if I just, and yeah, it plays the music. Pause, that's good. And also this thing has a built-in microphone, so you don't need to take out your phone if you want to receive calls. even if a call Even if a call comes, you can just tap once over here and it will receive the call, and you can talk through the Airdopes microphone. So it is really good. And I think the battery is low, it is flashing red. So that is it for this video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.